Today we are going to learn all about our sounds because we want to learn how to read. So let's start and let's get going right now. And the first sound that we are going to learn is ah. Ah for apple. Can you all say ah for apple? Okay, here we go, my friends. Say ah, ah for apple. Good job. Now we're going to do ba, ba, ba for bed. I want you all to say ba, ba for bed. Good job. Now here is ka, ka for cake. I want you all to say that with me. Say ka, ka, ka for cake. Good job, my friends. Good job. Now we have da, da for dog, da for dog. I want you all to say that with me. Ready? And da, da for dog. Okay, now we have ah, ah for elephant, ah for elephant. Now I want all my friends to say that with me. Say ah for elephant. Excellent. Now we have fa, fa for fish, fa for fish. Now all my friends, let's say that together. Say fa, fa for fish. Now we have g, g for goat. Can you all say that with me? Say ga, ga for goat. Very good. Now we're going on. We're going to do ha, ha for hand. Now everyone, all my friends say ha, ha for hand. Now we're doing I for igloo. So can all my friends say I for igloo? Now we have ja, ja, ja for jam. Can all my friends say ja, ja for jam? Excellent. Now we have ka, ka for kite. Now I need all of my friends, everyone say ka for kite. Good job. Now we have o for lamp, o for lamp. Can all of my friends say o for lamp? Now we have ma, ma for mitten, ma for mitten. Everybody, let's say it together. Let's say m for mitten. Excellent. Now we have na, na for nut, na for nut. All my friends, let's say na for nut. Now we have ah for octopus. Everybody say ah for octopus. Good job. Now we have p, p for pig. Can you all say p for pig? Good job. Now we have qua, qua for queen, qua for queen. Can all my friends say qua, qua for queen? Now we have for ring, for ring. Okay, all my friends, I want you to say for ring. Now we have s for sun, s for sun. Okay, all my friends, are you ready? Let's say s for sun. Now we have ta, ta, ta like turtle. Okay, all my friends, are you ready? Let's do ta, ta, ta like turtle. Now we have like umbrella, like umbrella. Now all my friends, let's say like umbrella, Now we have v like violin, v for violin. Now we have w like wagon. I want all my friends to say w like wagon. Now we have x like x-ray. Can all my friends say x like x-ray? Now we have ya like yarn. Ya, like yo-yo. Let's all say ya, like yo-yo. And we have z. Z, like zebra. Very good. You all did so well. I am so proud of you for all of you doing your sounds. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day.